If you are trying to lose fat but constantly fighting hunger, cravings, and low energy, then you need this. I'm talking about high protein and high fiber meal prep that keeps you full, fueled, and actually helps you to lose fat without starving yourself. Today I'm breaking down my exact strategy, showing you step by step how to prepare delicious meals that will transform your body, your energy, and your fat loss journey. Let's dive in. So, what's the secret sauce behind these incredible meals? It's all about strategically combining two powerhouse nutrients, protein and fiber. First, protein. Think of it as your body's building block and its best friend for satiety. It keeps you full for hours, prevent muscle loss when you are burning fat, and even boost metabolism just by digesting it. No more hunger pangs. Then fiber. This is where volume meets wellness. Fiber adds bulk to your food, making them incredibly satisfying without packing on extra calories. It also stabilizes your blood sugar, giving you sustained energy and keeps your gut happy. Together, they create meals that are calorie smart, nutrient dense, and most importantly, delicious feeling. This is how you achieve your fat loss without feeling deprived. Now let's get practical. Tired of eating the same bland meal every day? Or spending your entire weekend in the kitchen only to have half your food go bad? Yeah, I have been there too. That's why today we are not going to cook 7 different dinners. Instead, we are building versatile toolkit. Batch cooking the core ingredients that we can effortlessly mix and match all week long. Think of it as the foundation of endless delicious and healthy meals. This means less time cooking, zero food waste, and the actual excitement at the mealtime. And the golden rule: plan your grocery first. I have put together a free downloadable PDF in the description box, including the meal plan and the shopping list to make this even more easier for you. Alright, kitchen time. We are going to start by prepping our core ingredients, protein and fiber bases. This is the foundation of our week, making sure we have plenty of versatile ingredients. Once these core components are cooked, the real fun begins, assembling our diverse meals. First up, kickstart your day with this high protein power savory oatmeal. It's so simple, delicious, and keeps you full until lunch. You want to know the secret? Watch the recipe. The morning, just add more yogurt and stir it. That's all. You have got incredibly satisfying, high protein, high fiber breakfast ready in minutes. This is not just your ordinary oatmeal. This is very special, savory power pack oatmeal. For lunch, generally I love to prepare very simple and our favorite clean and lean Buddha bowl. This is where our batch cooked roasted vegetables and proteins truly shine, proving you don't need a new recipe every day to create variety. It takes less than 5 minutes, only you have to do mix and match. Now I am going to show you a vegetarian version. See how easy it is to combine our prepped components? This bowl is a fiber and protein bomb. And the best part, tomorrow we can swap the paneer with any other kind of proteins like prepared chicken or scrambled tofu or even egg. Same components, different feel. And for dinner, forget boring. We are making fun and fresh taco night. It's full of flavor, super satisfying, and incredibly flexible. The star here is our special taco dough, made with whole wheat flour, steamed veggies, and even a secret ingredient, whey protein water for the extra protein dose, and carom seeds for better digestion. How cool is that? We'll be making simple soft tacos by adding our baked chicken and vegetables and simple homemade sauce. It's a meal that everybody loves. So simple and delicious. It's fun and fresh experience. It's warm, filling, and lets you customize every bite while packing in goodness of all the incredible protein and fiber. Plus, making them fresh with the prepped ingredients keeps mealtime exciting and helps beat what's for dinner. Oof. So you have seen the power of high protein and high fiber meal prep and how easy it is to create variety without sacrificing your entire weekend. But here are few final pro tips to ensure your continued success. Don't be afraid to experiment with herbs, spices, and homemade low-calorie sauces. Healthy food does not have to be bland. These are guidelines. If you are genuinely hungry, have an extra batch of veggies or small protein-rich snack. It's all about building sustainable healthy habits, not rigid deprivation. Even if you prep half meal for the week, that's a huge win. Every little bit helps build momentum. These meals can stay fresh in the refrigerator for 3 to 4 days. For longer use, these can be frozen and thawed easily. Imagine waking up every day knowing your healthy and delicious meals are ready to go. No more guessing, no more stress, only consistent working towards your fat loss goals and feeling amazing. If this video gave you the spark to start your own meal prep journey, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe. It truly helps my channel. And I want to hear from you. What is your favorite high protein and high fiber food that you always keep in your kitchen? And grab your free printable meal plan linked below. It has all the recipes, variety tips, and steps to help you get started today. If you like this video, I highly recommend you to watch this video next. Thank you so much for watching. Remember to fuel your body right. It will thank you. See you in the next video.